Welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to design waves in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Fill the background with the gradient blue shades for water and then create a new layer for waves. Select the brush tool with soft rounded brush. Paint basic waves curves in white. Adjust the number of generators and amplitude for variations. Now duplicate the wave layer for more density. Lower the opacity of some layers to add depth. Apply blur slightly on background waves and then add layer styles. Outer glow for light reflections. Use the smudge tool to curve and refine waves edges and then paint highlights with a soft white brush for realism.